Welcome back to my channel Chiro's Aspiration. Today I am again with a new topic, a fantastic concept. So as I said, I'll be doing every week a natural phenomena of mathematics. Every week I'll be coming up with that. Already I completed 4 videos and this is the 5th video of doing that. And also I'm doing CBSE 10th mathematics chapter by chapter. Already one chapter is completed, that is real numbers, and I'll be coming with polynomials also. And the people who are new to my channel, hi, this is Chiranjeevi, Max trainer and a motivational speaker. I'm an internationally certified soft skills trainer and internationally certified NLP practitioner. This is my introduction. And now coming to today's topic, it's a very beautiful and amazing concept. Generally, I always tell the definition for mathematics. It's nothing but the patterns of the nature. We see many patterns in the nature, right? So, mathematics is also the patterns in nature, but many things, many more are still undiscovered. And it's our time to make it happen. We can discover, we can invent, we can innovate many things. And a special topic, a very interesting topic is, it's Pascal's triangle. We can see many number patterns in this triangle. It is a very amazing triangle where we can observe many patterns, many numbers, many patterns of numbers in this triangle. Shall we go? Yes, we'll go with that. The first thing here, if we observe, yes. Now, what I am going to do, just I am going to take 1. So just beside this I am going to put some 2 zeros. What is 0 plus 1? It is 1. What is 1 plus 0? It is 1. This way we are going to write the Pascal's triangle. Just I have taken 1. So beside that I have put 2 zeros. So 0 plus 1, 1, and 1 plus 0, 1. Again what I am going to put, so it is in the form of triangle, right? Again in the triangle form I am going to put 1 0 here, 1 0 here. So 0 plus 1, again 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 0, 1. Did you follow how to write the Pascal's triangle? Yes. Again I am going to put a 0 here and also 0 here. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3, 1 plus 0, 1. Again I am going to put 1 0 here. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 3 plus 1, 4, 1 plus 0, 1. So likewise it will be continuously going. Okay. So up to n is equal to infinity, it goes on like this, the numbers. Just adding the upper two numbers gives us this number. So 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 3, 4. So just adding upper two number gives the lower number. So this is Pascal's triangle. This way we are going to construct the Pascal's triangle. Now, after constructing this, it's a very interesting to see here. The first pattern, if you observe here, it's very interesting. The first pattern, if you observe here, this diagonal is completely 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. It's so beautiful, right? We can see the patterns 1. And it will be going on up to infinity if you start constructing the Pascal's triangle and so on. So this is one of the pattern, very interesting pattern 1. And if you observe another pattern here, if you observe here, 1, 2, 3, 4. All these are whole numbers, right? If I include 0. If I exclude 0, these are natural numbers. Even this diagonal is a natural number. 1, 2, 3, 4. Isn't it? How beautiful. What all the things we did? The first pattern we saw is natural numbers, right? The second pattern we saw is, see, this is the natural numbers. And another pattern, if you observe here, you can see here 1, 3, 6 or 1, 3, 6. What is these numbers? These are triangular numbers, right? You can continuously write this triangle also. If you put 0 here, again you will be getting 1, 5, 10, 10, 5 and 1 again. So again, if you go on constructing this, you will be getting 1, 6, 15, 50. Sorry, it is 15. This is 20, right? This is 20, 15, 6 and 1. Okay, it will be continuously going on like that. If you observe these numbers, this is natural numbers. We observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you have to observe this diagonal. It is 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. What are these numbers? These numbers are called as triangular numbers. See how beautiful is this? In one number pattern, we are going to get all the number patterns using this Pascal's triangle. These are triangular numbers. What is triangular numbers? So this particular number of dots we can use to construct a triangle that is equilateral triangle. We can do like this. 1, and if it is 3, we can take like this. And if it is 6, the same way you will be getting a equilateral triangle. Likewise, it will be going there. So these are triangular numbers. So many patterns will be getting here. Yes. So we found natural numbers, we found triangular numbers, and still there are many amazing patterns here. If you observe further, what is this? Let me consider this as the 0th row. This is 0th row. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. It goes on like this. Okay. So this row is 0th row. This is first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row. It goes like that. And if you observe clearly, every number is in the form of 2 square, which means if we add the numbers, let's take adding the numbers. See, if I add the numbers, what is 1 plus 0 plus 1? It's 1. What is 1 plus 1? 2. That is nothing but 2 to the power of 1. This, can we take 2 to the power of 0? Yes. What is 1 plus 2 plus 1? It is 4, right? Can I take 2 to the power of 2? 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1, that is 8. Can I take 2 to the power of 3? Similarly, 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 5, 2 to the power of 6, and so on, 2 to the power of 7, 2 to the power of 8, 2 to the power of 9, everything goes like that. So, if we observe clearly, first pattern we observed is natural numbers, then we saw triangular numbers, and if we add up the numbers, it is in the form of 2 to the power of n. This is the general form. So many number patterns in this triangle, right? We can find this, okay? 2 to the power of 0 it starts and goes on like this. This is one of the pattern in the Pascal's triangle. The next pattern we can see is this 1 and 1. If you take as it is, so you will be getting. So let me erase this. Okay. So if you take these numbers, for example, take this as 11, 1 and 1. That's nothing but 11 to the power of 1, right? Yes, 1, 2, 1. I'm going to take 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1 is the thing, but 11 square. 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3, 1 is the thing, but 11 cube. Similarly, 11 to the power of 4, 11 to the power of 5, 11 to the power of 6. How amazing it is, sir. Many number patterns we can observe using one Pascal triangles. How it is embedded, many number patterns are embedded within this triangle. So first we saw natural numbers, we saw triangular numbers, and if we add up the numbers, we'll be getting in the power of 2, that is 2 to the power of n. So n takes the value of row, it is 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2. If you take these number as it is, it's nothing but the 11 to the power of n, where n again goes for the rows. So 11 to the power of 1, 11 square, 11 cube, 11 to the power of 4 for the fourth row, 11 to the power of 5 for the fifth row, 11 to the power of 6 for the sixth row. How amazing and fantastic is this number pattern, right? Yes. So many number patterns we can see. And the final number pattern, what I have planned to explain you is, it's binomial expansion. We all know that. What is a plus b the whole square? We have a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? if we observe the coefficients, so if you observe the coefficient, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 1. What is here? The n, it takes the number 2, right? If you take the row 2, second row, what is the number we got? 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 1. So the coefficient is 1 to 1. Can you observe? Yes. So this is the binomial expansion. So this Pascal's triangle helps in the binomial expansion also. So that is a plus b the whole square is nothing but a square plus 2ab plus b square. So the coefficient of a square is 1, the coefficient of ab is 2, the coefficient of b square is 1. So the same coefficient will be getting in the second row. Similarly, if I take n as 3, that is a plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. What are the coefficients? It is 1, 3, 3 and 1. So what I have taken n as 3. For n is 3, it is 1, 3, 3, 1. How beautiful and amazing is this, isn't it? A single triangle, Pascal's triangle, we can find so many number patterns. Similarly, it goes on like this. So it's very useful for writing competitive exam, analyzing the natural phenomena. And this Pascal triangle is also used in the permutations and combinations, in the binomial expansions, and many other applications are there. I choose a few. I have chosen few things, few very important things, and I have discussed here. I hope this was very interesting and enjoyable. So we have to thank the mathematicians who discovered such type of patterns, which is very useful and helpful. This is one of the natural phenomena of mathematics, isn't it? Yes, I hope you people enjoyed and loved the concept. If you like the video, like it, share it and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I have a great journey. We'll go through a great journey of maths and further science also. And I have another channel, that is Motivations of Chiro. I start motivating people and I'll be putting that videos also. If you need that types of things, you can subscribe that channel also. Click the I button and subscribe the channel. And I hope it is very helpful. Always be mathematically inclined and be safe and secure. Bye. Take care.